Hello friends, welcome to my channel Zingful Life. So how are you all doing? Hope you are all fine and healthy, taking all the necessary precautions in this COVID time. Friends, today I have come up with a video on the unboxing of my new Philips Kerashine hair straightener. The color is graceful purple and the model which I am referring to here is BHS386. So let us start unboxing it. So this is my Philips Kerashine straightener with advanced keratin ceramic coating. Friends, this straightener is specially designed for Indian hairs and comes with a Silk Pro Care technology and advanced keratin ceramic coating that results in less heat exposure and minimal friction. It has two professional styling temperatures, 190 degrees Celsius and 210 degrees Celsius, that allows to control the heat intensity while straightening up your hairs. Let's see what they have written here. Silk Pro Care technology that is designed for salon-like result with extra care and less heat exposure. Then it has keratin infused ceramic plates that provides ultra smooth gliding and that perfect silky straight hairs. So as you can see, these plates are quite long, around 90 mm. What it means for us is that it will take quite more strands of hairs in one go while straightening them. Then it has one feature of ionic conditioning for smooth hair cuticle that makes your hairs look more glossier and shiny. Friends, one of the peculiar feature of this straightener is that it has a very fast heat up time, like it's ready to use in almost 60 seconds. So this is the actual product and one instruction manual is also there. As you can see here, this is the swivel cord that they have provided with a length of 1.8 meters to prevent unnecessary tangles and thereby allowing maximum flexibility while straightening up the hairs. The design and look of this model is actually very aesthetic and pleasing to the eyes. Also very portable and sleek in size, so easy to handle. Friends, Philips is providing 2 years of warranty on this product and this is the manual you should read before using it. Coming on to the straightener, just look at this button section. You can lock and open the straightener from here like this. This section has the two temperature slots that you can select while straightening. This is the ionic conditioning technology. These are the ceramic plates that are keratin infused, quite long. So friends, this was the introduction and unboxing part. See, I have very frizzy hairs and it actually helps me a lot to counter that. And I would say I'm very much impressed with the outcome. Can't really say about their claim of giving ultra smooth, silky and shiny texture to your hairs, but yes, it do add a certain amount of glossiness to your hairs and you are always super ready for all your events. So thumbs up for this product. I have been using this product for like last 1 month and took an actual picture for you guys to see the results by yourself. Signing off, goodbye and take care. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and please like and share the video. Thank you, bye bye.